Hi guys, my name is Surushi and welcome back to my channel. You must have seen on the thumbnail and you must have read the title. So you guys know that today's video is going to be about my 2025 planner. And this year I have bought my planner from the Simba Lifestyle, which is a brand by Mridul Sharma, and I am a big fan of Mridul Sharma. So I'm so excited. This is my first time trying out any Simba Lifestyle product because इससे पहले I even haven't tried their clothes or any stationery or anything. So I hope you guys are excited because I am clearly very excited. Let's get started with the video. So here's the planner. It actually came in a packet. It was packed in a the courier packet, but I just took it out, and so I have this normal cardboard packaging. Let's see. Okay, ये already इसके बाहर आ चुका है, but it's okay. Firstly, I can see this mini notebook. It's a very thin and very small notebook, but I think it's good. It's a very useful thing, to be honest, because बहुत पतली notebook है, so you can actually carry it anywhere, and it has blank pages. It's not ruled or even dotted. I can see another freebie, which I think I'll show you in the last because that's the thing that I was so excited about. Let's see what else do we have. One more freebie. We have these calendar cards. It has all the months: January, February, March, everything, and they are in this very slight very basic pastel colors, and they are not very tadak bhadak wale pastel colors. They are very neutral pastel colors, and this is how they look like. I think I'm going to use them to decorate my wall. Let's see how it looks like. Next we have a very cute thank you card. Next I am going to show you the most exciting freebie is this affirmation cards deck. I was so excited for this because just look at it, you guys. I'm so looking forward to take one affirmation with me every single day in 2025. This is how they look like from inside. They have such pretty artwork here, and they are in different colors. They are very vibrant, and they have a lot of colors in this. I'm not going to spoil it for you guys, तो मैं बहुत सारे आपको दिखा नहीं दूंगी already. But let's just try taking out one for today. I choose calm over worry, faith over fear. This is so beautiful. Really looking forward to do this every single day in 2025. So these were all the freebies that I got with my 2025 planner. Coming on to the planner. Ta-da! Drum rolls. This is how the planner looks like. It's a very pretty music themed blue color planner. So it says my self growth playlist, and they have this very cute artwork here, and यहाँ पे नीचे you can see it's written 2025. At the back we have Simba Lifestyle, and I think we have the sticker sheets in here at the end of the planner. So let me show you guys all the sticker sheets. This is the first one, which says Boss Baby. Second is Dopamine Menu. Third is this Lost in Paradise. I love all of them. Wow, this I am just a girl. It has so many pretty stickers in it. It's the time to disco. Of course, they have to have a music theme sticker sheet because of course they have a music theme planner. So these were all the sticker sheets. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticker sheets, which I think is enough. I don't really use a lot of stickers. पूरा भर नहीं देती हूँ मैं stickers से, and I actually have some stickers remaining from my past planner, so I can use them anyways. So let's see what this planner comes with. The first page says, your life is your music. Write it, play it, dance to it. So beautiful. 2025 belongs to, you have to write your name here, I assume. Next, we have a note, vibing and thriving. We have a personalized note from Riddle and Aditya, which is so cute. The first page that I can see jahan se actual mein planner is starting is the vision board. Now this is how it looks like. It has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 boxes, and I am a person जिसको vision boards planner में बनाना पसंद नहीं है. I like my vision boards to be separate because I make it very differently. इतने छोटे space में I can't really fit all of the things that I want to fit in. So what I am planning to do is I am just going to write down everything because this is such a brilliant idea कि उनने यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी बॉक्सेस के साथ दे हैव रिटन कि क्या क्या चीज़ें में आपको विजन बनाना चाहिए, देखना चाहिए फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर. सो दे हैव स्पिरिचुअल, मेंटल, फिजिकल, ट्रैवल, लाइफस्टाइल, हॉबीज, लव, फिनेंस, career, knowledge, family and friends. It actually covers everything. So I think I'm just going to write down all the pointers that I'm thinking about 2025 in this, and then जो actual picture cutouts होता है that I can stick on something else. Next we have 2025 goals page. It asks top 3 goals, top 3 places to visit, new things to learn or try, things to look forward to. This is how the page looks like. The next page has plan your new era. They have some questions over here. What do you look like? How do you treat people around you? How do you like to be treated by people around you? Who are your closest friends and what are your relationship with them? How do you spend your leisure time on weekends? So I think this is like a past self. Matlab, after the year ends, the 2025 ends, you can just go through this and see कि जब आपने ये लिखा था in 2024 end, what kind of a person you were that time and what kind of person you are right now. I think it's of that use. We have goal ideas to set in 2025, which I am impressed because actually you have shared a lot of 2025 goal ideas with us, which is very helpful. So for example, they have 15 ideas. I'm just going to read 1 or 2. So start investing money, practice daily journaling, run a marathon or complete a challenging physical event, and get a promotion or advance to the next career level. So they have 15 of them. I just read few of them. Next page has what are your top 3 core values, passions. Yeah, these two. So you have a lot of options and you have to choose from them कि इसमें से what are your core values and what are your passions. So for core values, I'm just going to read some few of them. They have authenticity, diversity, fairness, freedom, tolerance, patience and all of that. For passion, they have writing, cooking, baking, rock climbing, scuba diving, beauty, calligraphy, event planning. I am so excited to be using this planner. I literally want a pen right now and I'm going to write everything. I'm so excited. Next, we have the page of wish list. So you have needs and wants, and on another page you have book, which you can put a reading list on. So you have title and author. This is how both the pages look like. I think I'm just going to fasten up a little bit because अगर मैं इस स्पीड से चली तो मैं पूरा प्लानर तो आपको नहीं दिखा पाऊंगी. So next page we have 25 things to do in 2025, and उसके बाद 2025 timeline. So use this timeline to set your priorities straight and get the most out of this year. They have this timeline wala page where you can for example, if you want a promotion by say July end, so you can write ki in July you have to get a promotion. So this is going to be like a timeline. You're giving yourself a timeline ki is time tak you're going to do this. So yeah, that's next. We have a period tracker, which I don't think I'm going to use because मुझे यहाँ लिखना याद नहीं होगा, but let's see. Next we have cycle syncing. So they have 4 kinds of cycles written here: menstrual, follicular, ovulation and luteal. I think, I don't know how to pronounce them, but there's a lot of things जो कि यहाँ पे mention है, so that we can read about it, and it's actually very helpful. It's knowledgeable. So yeah. We also have a breast examination page over here, which I am actually looking forward to do because I haven't up tak. And then we have a notes page, which is for you to just brainstorm, and then starts the 2025 at glance. We have all the months over here, and there's January. So I think I'm just going to show you one month in detail, and of course बाकी के सारे months are same. So January में they have a theme which is reigniting passion and bold beginnings, and the vibe is this high energy track kicks off the year with a sense of urgency and excitement, encouraging you to choose after what lights up you. It's about stepping boldly into the unknown, embracing a fresh start, and being unapologetic in your pursuits. So, Blinding Lights is the song of this month, which is January, and you can actually, I think, scan this on Spotify and hear it. I don't know, I haven't tried it, but you can try it. As we come into January, we have monthly activities, and for that, we have the first activity is Chase Your Blinding Lights Challenge. Okay, and the second one is nighttime energizing routine. So they have actually given the theme, the activity, and the goal for both of them, but I think I'm not going to spoil that for you because ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, नहीं तो आप में वो excitement नहीं बचेगा जो मुझ में है. So let's keep this something for you to look forward to. तो मैं ये पढ़ के नहीं बताऊंगी आपको. And then we have a goal planner. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 mini boxes that are given for goal planning of the whole month. Next we have this पूरे month का planner, and I feel like कि ये वाला जो pages होते हैं ना, they have a very small space हर दिन का लिखने के लिए. So what I do is I generally plan my things out ऐसे बहुत छोटे words में, that what I want to do, like my to do list, but जो main चीज़ें होती है ना वो वाली I write down in this page. We have this morning I woke up feeling. Okay, this is like maybe if you want to fill this, because ये हर दिन का तो नहीं है, but you have this option to fill कि आप क्या feel कर रहे थे when you woke up this morning, and 3 things I'm grateful for, mantra of the day, top priorities, to-do list, notes to do tomorrow, don't forget to make time for, and there's many options over there. Next we have monthly visions, which have 4 boxes: health and fitness, work and academics, fun, adventure, and personal or spiritual. Okay, so we have more space to write down our daily to-dos or what are we planning to do. So I think this is going to help a little more because now we have more space. We also have a habit tracker, and I'm actually looking forward to use this habit tracker because I am actually starting a lot of new habits. I'm thinking of inculcating a lot of new habits, and this is going to help me with that. Next we also have workout log, and I have actually started working out very recently, so it's going to be very helpful for me to know कि मैं कितनी बार गई थी and कितनी बार मैंने cheat किया. But yeah, next there's meal tracker, which is also going to be very helpful for me because I live alone, and मैं अभी if I want to have lunch, I literally think right now कि lunch में क्या बनाना है. So I think meal tracker में लिखने से I will get some ideas. Next we have monthly reflections, and monthly reflections में we have what I release, I intend, self-development, self-care, health and wellness, relationships, work and school, or finances. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 boxes where you can actually reflect back on your month. The last 2 pages that I see for the monthly planning thing is to-do list and notes. So we have a big page for to-do list and another one for notes. And then we have come to February, which I'm not going to show you because सारे दिखा दूंगी तो आपको मजा नहीं आएगा अपना planner लेके. And let's just go and see July because my birthday month is July, so we are just going to check July for that. So here we are. This is what I have. My song is Fir Se Ud Chala, and this artwork, just look at it, beautiful. And so the theme for this July month is adventure and new beginnings. And while this July is all about spreading your wings and exploring new horizons, this track embodies a yearning to break free, wow, to break free, explore, and embrace the unknown. This is cute. I think there are a lot more things. Yeah. So we have a travel planner page. We also have a packing list ka page, which is going to be very handy. And then this is the travel planner. This is the packing list. And then we have 2025 favorites. So you have to write favorite movies, favorite books, favorite restaurants, favorite dishes, favorite places you visited, favorite day of the year, a core memory from 2025, and 2025 review. Next page is about gentle questions to ask yourself on hard days. This is so cool and so good. So you have a very basic page of a brain dump, and there is a to-do list ka option, random thoughts, to call, to text, to email, new ideas, research, to buy, think and make decision about. So, and we have a worry jar. I'm also excited to try this worry jar, which I hope I don't have to use a lot in 2025. But of course, we are human beings and हमें worry तो होने ही वाली है. So yeah, of course इसमें 2-3 चीजें तो आएगी. Next we have coloring pages, and बाप रे. Can you see this? ये वाला करने में तो I think I'll take पूरा 2025 because I have this book mandala art वाली, and उसमें I have started coloring और देखने में इतना easy लगता है, but when you actually get your pens out and when you actually start coloring it, then you know मैंने literally एक like the book is थोड़ा सा बड़ा वाला, so I have took around 6 to 7 sittings to finish that whole page. So but it's very helpful if you are into overthinking and all of that. Just take out your pens and start painting. You are definitely going to feel better, I assure you. So we have 3 pages coloring के लिए, and that's it. We have this pocket जहाँ पे I can keep my sticker books, and also the free diary that we have got. So yeah, that was it. This is the whole planner / the whole planner kit that you are going to get. You are going to get with the Simba Lifestyles 2025 planner, and I have actually got it in the launch offer. So I got all of this in 999 rupees, which is a steal deal. I feel like itni sari cheezein in 999 is a very great pricing, and I know कि ये pricing change होगा after some time. So if you are planning to buy this, just get your hands on it. And yeah, I think I like it and I am actually looking forward to use this. And मुझे लगता है मैं आगे वाले कुछ videos में भी आपको ये दिखाते रहूँगी because I'm so excited. I literally love this time period of December end because I am so big on vision boards, on to-do lists and all of that. This makes me so happy. So yeah, that was it from my side. It's a very beautiful product. Yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye.